Yeah, what's up, guys? Mike Guitar is back with another episode of lesson. Okay, happy New Year, guys. For today, I don't want to waste too much of the time. Let me come in with a little series of different scale. Three types of scale that you might likely want to use in your guitar playing. Okay, in your soloing, improvisation. Okay. You can use it in your jazz section, okay, your worship section, depending on how you're applying them, okay. So for today, guys, I'm going to show you three scales you're going to apply in your playing, okay. I'm going to sound smooth, good, and move better, okay. So first time watching my video, I would like you to hit the subscribe button, okay. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video, okay. Alright, guys. If you like the video, guys, smash the like button. If you have any challenges, drop a comment below. Drop it in the comment section. I will really appreciate that. Okay, guys? So, let's go into the video. What's up? Okay? So, the third scale I'm going to show you is the number one is the bebop scale. Bebop scale. I know many of you have been hearing of the bebop scale. The bebop scale. And this is the major bebop scale that, so many great guitarists and jazz guitarists, they apply it when they are soloing, okay? So I'm going to show you how the scale look like and how you can apply it in your playing, and so how to make it sound more better, okay? So the first scale is, I'm going to do this lesson in the key of C. C is a major key that most people, they play on key, so you can apply them in all your keys in the guitar fretboard, the key of C. So I'm going to bring this closer so you can see my fingers very well. So this is the key of C. Okay. Okay, that is the key of C. That is the key of C. Okay, this is the key of C again on the third string. So the first scale there is okay. The first scale is the do, re, mi, fa, sol, si, la, ti, do. Okay. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, si, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, si, okay. So what am I playing there is the one note, okay, two notes, three notes, four notes, five notes. Then you play the sharp five. This is the Z, the sharp five. Okay, so the La, Z. So the difference between that note and the major note is the Z there. Okay. Okay, is a Z there. That is the difference between that note and the major note. You apply the Z, which is a sharp five. The sharp five. Okay. 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 So that is a difference. So the number two scale I'm going to show you is a mixolydian scale. Mixolydian scale. Mixolydian scale. So the mixolydian scale is okay, re, mi, fa, sol, do, do. Okay, it's very simple. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, do. Okay, do, do, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, then the flat 7. Okay. Okay, it's very simple. So you start learning those scales, okay? You can apply them mostly on your jazz section, okay? is how it sounds. So the third scale I'm going to show you for today is the Phrygian scale. The Phrygian scale, okay? The Phrygian scale. The Phrygian scale is some of the do, di, mo, fa, sol, si. Okay? Do, do, si, do, fa, mo, di, do. Okay? Do, di, mo. Okay? Do, di, mo. Do, di, mo. Okay, I see. Do, di, mo, fa, sol, si, do, la. Okay? Okay, it's very simple. You can play it here also. Okay? Okay? Very simple licks, okay? You can start applying in your soloing section, okay? In your jazz soloing, that gives you more harmony and more, more enhancement in your solo, in your playing as well. So I'm going to stop here for now. So in the next video, I'm going to show you, do some practical, stuff that can help you and how to you can apply them in your chord progressions, okay, to sound more better and good. All right, guys. So if you find this video interesting, hit on the like button, okay. If you have any challenge, you can drop it in the comment section. And if this is the first time watching my video, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button, okay, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video on this channel. All right, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.